Hey travelers, I'm the OCD Traveler, and in today's video, the second part of my cruise booking series, I'm going to show you how to get the best price on your cruise, so stay tuned. All right, so here's the backstory. It's my daughter's senior spring break. We're going with another family on a cruise. Take a look at the video that I'll link above. That's for video 1 of this 2-part series. It shows you how I was able to research and find the perfect cruise. But on today's video, I'm going to use a site called Cruise Compete to show you how to find the best price for your cruise. It's totally free, and what it will do is put travel agents head to head to give you the best deal on your cruise. And what's important to note is all cruise lines have standard pricing. It's all about onboard credits and other spiffs that they can kind of add in to entice you to use their services. So let's go ahead and log into Cruise Critic. All right, so this might be a little no frills and a little bit clunky, but I'm on my computer right in front of me. And as you can see here, this is the cruise that we want to book. March 30th, 2025, Harmony of the Seas, 7 nights out of Galveston through Central America. So I'm just gonna go over here and go to cruisecompete.com. I'm going to go ahead and log in here just so I don't have to do it later. And I'm going to click Get Quotes. All right, you can see I'm a VIP, Platinum, whatever that means, but I will create a new quote. And you can see there's a couple of different options here. They do it for ocean liners, they do it for river cruises, for example, but we're going large ships. And again, we are looking at Harmony of the Seas, so I can type in H-A, maybe not. Oh, it looks like it's going to be listed through Royal, so that still got me closer. Harmony of the Seas. Have you sailed this cruise line before? Yes. Would you like insurance? I'm going to say no. You might want to get it, but no, I don't want insurance. I only need 1 cabin for this particular sailing. So as far as the number of adults, ages 13 through 54, it's just going to be 3 of us. And then I'm going to go on next. All right, so now it's loaded all of the itineraries for Harmony of the Seas. So I will look for the one in question, which again is 2025, March 30th, 2025, 7 nights. So it already knows it's the Western Caribbean. Now I can select up to 2 different cabin types. So what I always do is say, show me a balcony, and then show me the cheapest room available. Just like that juxtaposition, just in case. Cabin type, I'm not gonna add that. They already have my Crown and Anchor number loaded in there. And you can put some additional comments here, and I'll just say,
That's much too early. Prepare to fast forward. Preparing to fast forward.
looking for the best balcony room available for a party of 3. Please also show me the cheapest available room for this sailing. That would accommodate 3 adults, ages in the 40s, 2 adults, 1 17-year-old. So I call it their age. Go to next here. They might even ask me this. I can't remember. Oh, one thing they do say is, hey, you have to make sure that you are not working, that this is for personal use. It's not designed for commercial use, business use. So it's just me. I'm not doing it for commercial purposes. I'm just showing you how to do it. I'm not being compensated for this in any way. But let's go ahead and hit OK. So that's it. All right, so what this is going to do is take that quote information I provided it, and it's going to farm it out to travel agents. And then I'll wait, again, 24 hours to let Cruise Compete go do their magic, and we'll see what travel agents were offering to us. That's it for now, so now we wait. Well, all right, it's been just over 24 hours. So I submitted the quote yesterday at about 1:36 p.m. As you can see here, so I'm back looking at my computer screen. I got the first quote almost immediately when I submitted it. And I already have at least 4 quotes. So I got 1 immediately. Some of their travel agents are actually set up to send immediate responses. Others take a little bit more time to actually review your request. So it looks like I have at least 4 now. So I'm gonna go into this email. And then let's see. Yep. All right, so it says, hey, reminder, you've got this open. Again, sailing date, March 30th, Harmony of the Seas, departing Galveston. So let's go ahead and access our account. You can see already that I'm logged in. That's nice, it keeps you logged in so you don't have to remember that. But I have a total of 5 different quotes. So moving in the right direction. So I'll click on this, and now it's just gonna list off the 5 different quotes. Let's take a look.
I can see it's going to confirm all of the different parts of my request, and then it's going to start to quote these out. Now look, inside, so the cheapest is going to be $1944.96 for this particular quote. That's a ZI category, and a balcony as an XN is $759, so a total of $2276. The next gentleman, so a ZI is going to be, what is that, $500 more expensive on both of these. Well, that's interesting. You can see down here, $163 onboard credit. If I go with the ZI category, balcony is going to be $201. So let's keep going here. ZI 2464, that's the common. 2777 is the common for the ZN, the balcony, excuse me, XN. That's going to give you a $50 onboard credit, and we will keep moving down. Same price, $2464, $2777. That's weird. No onboard credits for this particular one. The cabin closeout. So this is cheaper as well. So this is different. These prices are fluctuating a little bit. So you can see the ZI is going to be $400. They're both going to be about $400 or $300 cheaper than the standard. $25 onboard credit. But there you have it. So prices are actually fluctuating. Onboard credits are relatively weak. This is unique compared to what I've seen before. But you get the actual concept. So now, I mean, a smart person would go to Todd, for example, and just confirm, I can get this for $1944.96. That's all prices included. I can either call him directly, you can see send an email, or there's a cabin hold option as well. So I might pick my top 2 agents and then start to compete against them. But recall, these are not fly-by-night travel agents. So they're all going to have client reviews. You can see Todd has 100% positive reviews for 154 clients. Now that's relatively small. If you go down to, let's see, Crown Cruises, for example, they have 2,249 reviews, and it's 99% positive. So these aren't going to be brand new, folks. That's what you'd want to do, is start to stack these prices, stack the benefits that they're providing as well, and then reach out and grab the travel agent that's going to suit you best, that's offering the best package for your needs. All right, so as we wrap this up for Cruise Plum, that's the best way to find the cruise that's going to fit your life and itinerary from my standpoint the best. And then Cruise Compete, an opportunity to have travel agents bid on different prices and benefits for booking with their agency. I think it's a great 1-2 punch to help find a great and practical cruise for you and your family. But look, if you need a travel agent, finding a travel agent is kind of like finding a real estate agent. Everybody knows somebody. I do not need a lot for my travel agent. I do it basically for price and convenience. If you want somebody that's going to book every meal for you, that's something you're going to want to keep in mind. You might want to find somebody that's a little bit more localized. But what do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you have a travel agent that you use? Do you book direct? I would always recommend not booking direct, just from the standpoint of you're not going to get some of the onboard options that travel agents can provide. And if there's ever a problem, let the travel agent deal with it as opposed to you. If you had to cancel and rebook, it's much easier if you have somebody that's kind of taking control of your situation as opposed to leaving it up to a customer service representative at one of the cruise lines. All right, but that's my thought. What are yours? Again, tell me in the comment section, like and subscribe. But in the meantime, continue to plan, travel, and repeat. I am the OCD Traveler. Take care, everybody.